Hey everybody, Joe the Handyman here. At this property that I have just finished renovating, and just wanted to give you guys a quick walkthrough. I think the last video that I put out there was really the demo, and I also put a video out on the Graco TrueCoat 360 DS, I think it is, which has come in very handy with this job. So what I want to do is just take you a quick walkthrough of the house. Townhouse, whatever you call it, and pretty pleased with the job. What I'll do is walk you through the garage first. I got a little bit of paint on me there, don't I? I did have to paint the garage. It's always nice to do that, and it came out really good. Again, I used the Graco for that. So let me pause this and start you walking through. Thanks. Okay guys, so here is the outside of the place. Start out here by talking about pressure washing. This house was built in 1984, and I don't think it's ever been pressure washed as far as the concrete. Concrete's not in the greatest of shape. I probably should have taken a before on this, but it really did clean up nicely, and there was a huge difference. A tremendous amount of dirt was on this thing. Walkway as well. This block was actually put in prior, so it came out pretty nice. The dumpster left quite a bit. Dumpster actually dug into this this asphalt here too, but the property managers could probably end up redoing the driveway. So here's the garage. Painted the garage with the Graco, and somebody had just written a comment on my my other Graco video, asking about overspray and asking about dust and things like that. This is actually a great opportunity to see that. I sprayed this, and there is definitely some dust that falls, but if you look, it does just kind of brush away. So with this dust, really is just that. It's not overspray, it's just dust that falls. Okay? All outlet covers were changed. All switches and outlets were changed as well. Let's walk to the front. The cleaning gal just left, and she did a great job as well. So, new front door installed. Thank you. And not a lot of light in here. Here we go. So here's the living room. Open this door up a little more. Here's the living room. New blinds. All painted. All the molding's done. Missed a spot there. Molding's done. Like I said, all new outlet covers. Property manager did not want to purchase new registers, so cleaned them up and sprayed them with white spray paint, Krylon spray paint. Came out good. Walls were in terrible shape. Over in this corner here, there was a serious amount of tape that was peeling back. I fixed that up. Someone's cutting wood outside, you can hear that. And here's the dining room. Ooh, light. Dining room came out nice. One color, the entire house. It's called Accessible Beige. It's a Sherwin-Williams Pro 200, which is actually a really nice paint. I enjoy that paint. When it's just white, it doesn't really cover as well, but when it's tinted, it covers very, very well. And if you remember, this was that hole that was in the ceiling. Let me go back over here. From where there was water damage, and that is now repaired. New attic stairs. Again, new switches. Wrong light. New light fixture, not the nicest, but whatever. Flooring guys came in, they did the carpet, did a good job. If you recall from the previous video, there was cheap Pergo laminate down, and there was quite a bit of mold, so we got that taken care of. Rolled out vinyl floor, not the greatest stuff, but again, pretty nice for what it is. Kitchen came out good. Installed new appliances. Really wasn't too fond of this fixture. a little institutional, but again, that's what they wanted. Painted the doors, painted all the closets, the ceiling white, painted the doors the semi-gloss white. So, being the age of this house, they didn't have a replacement for this fixture. So the property manager was just like, we're going close to budget on this thing, so let's just see if you can make something. So I actually used casing, put it together, and popped it up there. I think it looks pretty good. There you go. Light fixture. Knobs on all the cabinets. Still missing a drawer. Property manager will find that somewhere. Took out all the shelving, and painted, and then put the shelving back up. And this is they call it a guest bathroom. Again, we need more light bulbs, but manager will get that. Painted the vanity white, new turlet, as my father-in-law says. Shower door stayed the same. Probably should have changed that out, but they didn't want to. New fan, all that stuff. Painted all the doors. You saw that video. Plumber came in and changed out the hot water heater. It was original to the house, and this thing is real nice. Cranks. I think it's like a 45 gallon, which is perfect for this size place. Let's go into the guest bedroom, they call it. Go from this perspective. Guest bedroom. New verticals. Again, accessible beige. That's the color. And master bedroom. No overhead light in this thing, but what we're going to do is I'm going to try to get you some light this way. Because this is where that ceiling, I don't know if I've recorded this prior, but about 2/3 of this ceiling was down, all from water damage, and had to replace that. Doors look good. And into the master bath. Took out the old ceramic fixtures, the towel bar and all that stuff. That was actually last minute, so I actually used plaster of Paris because it was quicker and came out good. Kept the old tub. Again, not the greatest, but they didn't want to change it out. Painted this vanity as well. Cleaning gal did a fantastic job because this place was nasty. Alrighty. So that is the house. Huge difference from what it was. This place was left abandoned for 3 years, and they ended up, mortgage company ended up buying it. They have some kind of deal with the government where they have to rent it out or something for a couple of years before they can sell it. But that's what we got.